I respect and love Michael Manley.
So recently, Prime Minister Andrew Holness, in a nutshell, pretty much stated that Michael Manley democratic socialism did not work. He argued that Jamaica, and I quote, is paying the price for the misadventure of the opposition under the leadership of former Prime Minister Michael Manley. He went on to say that Manley's vision diverted us from the path of economic growth, selling the people of Jamaica false hope and unrealistic dreams. That statement, people, unsurprisingly upset quite a number of people on both sides of the political divide.
You talk about Michael Manley, Andrew? Andrew, you know how much something Michael Manley do to Jamaica? Eh? And Michael Manley make you go to university. I make the man then the teeth your clerks. So you're frightened, you know. Then think there. Which part of a university you go?
But it would appear that Holness' tone amidst the backlash have shifted, as he is now stating that he meant no disrespect and is insisting that he admires and respects the late former Prime Minister.
Michael Manley said that we will walk on our 2 feet and not on our knees. I, Andrew Michael Holness, firmly believes in that. So when I was born, my father insisted on my mother that my name should be Michael.
Mr. Holness insists that the detractors took his argument out of context, as he in fact used socialist ideology to, and I quote, guide some of his political decisions.
Has indeed shaped how I have approached government. Because in everything we do, we must ensure that we strike the natural balance. And if things get to the extreme, they are usually dangerous.
The confidence and self-worth instilled in children of that era facilitated many, myself included, to become successful entrepreneurs in the decades to come, said Holness.
So let me be clear to all my friends and those otherwise that I respect and love Michael Manley, and I value his work and his contribution to making us who we are can never be devalued. And I want to therefore put that to rest.
So those coming from Holness have left quite a number of people with a bitter taste in their mouth. So this could possibly be Andrew's way of quieting the storm. Now, I did not live through Michael Manley era, and I'm pretty much telling you my age, but with the little research that I have done, I would dare say Michael Manley passionately and greatly contributed to the country he loved. His many achievements was never about him. It was always for the uplifting of the average Jamaican. Manley experimented with socialism, and many simple-minded people will tell you that that was what diverted our country's economy.
Developed countries of the world are not accepting any discipline in relation to inflation. We cannot tell the supplier of our tractor to control the price of that tractor. We can't tell them to control the price of wheat. We don't go pay more.
However, the real culprit was certain outside forces who despised him, such as the US, for having a mind of his own. People, what are your thoughts about what Andrew Holness said about Michael Manley? Was he right? Was he wrong? This channel is to formulate a discussion, so I would definitely welcome what your thoughts are. Leave them in the comment section below, and whilst you're doing that, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel if you have not done so as yet. And welcome to the 200 new subscribers for this week. I appreciate the support very much, people. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, live free, prosper, and walk good.